Today I'm going to teach you how to make a dramatic eye. So you look at some pictures and you see that the eye appears so dramatic and you wonder how they did it. So let's dive in so I can teach you how it's done. So I'm going to first zoom in on the eye, and then I'm going to make a new layer, and I'm going to hit the elliptical tool, the elliptical marque tool, and I'm going to make a circle around the dark area of the eye, and then I'm going to fill it with white. Now I'm going to go to filter, and then I'm going to go to the blur and select Gaussian blur. I'm going to hit the 3.0 value and say OK. So now it's done. I'm going to go and select my eraser tool. So keeping in mind where the highlight is, I'm going to reduce this opacity so that I can see it. I'm going to erase the highlight area, and then I'm going to go around the eye and erase the excesses, making it look perfect. So now looking good. So I'm going to go to the blending mode and change it to overlay. Now you see it's looking dramatic right now. So I'm going to repeat the process on the other eye. I'm going to create another layer, select the elliptical marque tool, and make a circle around the dark area of the eye. I'm going to fill it with white. Then I'm going to go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, still keeping the value at 3. I'll just say OK and deselect the ellipses. Now I'm going to go back and select the eraser tool. So I'm going to reduce the opacity of this layer so I can see where the highlight is. Now I'm going to erase the highlight, and also okay, now it's looking good. So I'm going to go to my blending mode and change this blending mode to overlay. So now you can see the two eyes are looking dramatic. So I'm going to show you before and after. So I'm going to open the eyes again to see the after, and you see it's looking good. And I'm going to close the eye again. That's the before. So I can just match these two layers, and then go and select overlay. I can turn it off and on, so you can see the eyes are looking dramatic. So that will be it. So thank you for watching, and sit back around for the next tutorial. All you need to do is just hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first to be alerted anytime I put a video out there. Thank you for watching.